it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to find all your games on your Xbox One. So if you press the Xbox button, you go to My Games and Apps right here, and we go to See All. We can see all our games under here on the top left. So if we have games selected, this is everything currently downloaded on my Xbox One. So if there's a game missing from here, and we can't find it, we want to go to the left, and we want to go to where it says Full Library. So this will include all the digital games we ever bought or purchased on our account. So I only have 35 games under here, which is not a lot. And we can scroll on down and we can re-download it in the future. So like Jurassic World, there's a download option right here. And I saw some demos under there. We can go up to the top and we can go to Own Games, Games with Gold, App Own. And there's a bunch of different options under here as well. Now if we have too many games on here and we want to find a specific game, we can go to Sort By, Group Letter, Group Console Type, Sort by date acquired, hidden. Usually I just go by like the last played, like date acquired. Otherwise you can go up to the top left and go to search and just select in here and specifically search for a game. So let's just type in Halo and see what pops up. So if we bought it digitally, we can just simply re-download it like Master Chief Collection right here. Or like Halo 5 Guardians, but it's very easy to find your games or applications on your Xbox One. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.